Okay, just a little quick video on how I do the Stokes Tool and knapping slabs. So here I got a piece of obsidian. Go ahead and square up your sides, rough it with your grinder a little bit, and then we can use Stokes Tool. So in case you don't remember what the Stokes Tool is, I'm going to move the camera down here so we can see what I'm doing. I'm going to try to anyway. Alright. Oh. You just don't want to sit there. How about that? Okay, so what the Stokes Tool is this little machine right here. So it's got two copper bits and a guide, and this is what we use for pressure flaking slabs of material. So the obsidian, the glass, all that works really great. I've used it on just about everything but the coastal plains chert that we have here around Alabama. Just doesn't work too good on that. For some reason it just don't work good in slabs, period. So I made a first start off with the pass there so you can see what's happening. Your flakes, they terminate, they almost feather off. So if you ever worked slabs before, you know you wind up with a lot of chatter right down the middle where each flake comes in, they kind of dive in. This doesn't do that. You see they kind of feather off, almost kind of like fog napping a little bit, the way they feather off. So the way that works, if you take your time and you get good uniform flakes, so I'm going to try to take my time today. Space them out a little bit. Your guide is just there to sit on top, and it's just going to push in and pop flakes off. Now I'm going to use my leg pressure so I can get better control, better flakes, and set that copper tip right on the edge, and you want to squeeze in. If you're doing it right, you can let go of all your fingers because you got pressure going straight in. But make sure you got the fingers clear out of the way or you'll pinch them. So the harder you squeeze in with your legs, the better the flake's going to come off. Alright, so that came off right there. Let's do it again. Just keep doing it all the way down to the end. Big wide flakes coming off. Oh. Going all the way to the center, that's where I want to go. It doesn't matter which one of the copper tips you use, whichever one you feel comfortable with. But of course, you get to the end, it's going to dictate that you use the one on the outside. Got a little short on that one. Now I got to switch tips. Alright. See what it looks like if I go down the other side now. Oh, look at that. I broke the tip. That's what happens when you get squeezing with your thumb. That's okay, I got plenty there to work with. So, yep, I still make mistakes. Not paying attention to what that problem was. Ooh. A little crack there too. Big old crack. That one went almost all the way across. Short one. Thing. That's what it looks like. A lot of times stuff like that get you like a razor blade and take that right off. Alright, see y'all later. I'm gonna finish this thing up.